Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. October has begun and it is officially Halloween time. So I'm going to be doing a Exorcist inspired nail tutorial on my left hand. We're going to be using Mia's Secret acrylic powder and Mia's Secret monomer. So I'm going to be showing you the nail look from beginning to end, and now let's get started. So I'm going to use this tool to push back my cuticles and prep my nail for the acrylic application. Okay, now I'm going to use my 180 grit nail file to file these, and that's just going to help this adhere better to the acrylic. Okay, now that I've washed my hands, I'm just going to apply my nail primer. This is nail primer and a nail dehydrator. Now, these are the tips that I'm going to be using today. These are tapered clear tips, and I'm just going to start gluing them on using my nail glue. Okay, now that I've applied my nail glue, I'm just going to go ahead and file the tops of these to make sure there's no indentation in the nail. I'm going to make sure that the glue dries first, and then I'm going to start filing. I'm going to put it on really soft because I don't want to file too much into my natural nail. Now that I've filed them and this seems to be a seamless transition, I'm just going to cut these down to size. Today I'm in the mood to do really long nails, so I'm just going to cut these only a little bit. I think that's a good size. I'm just going to shape these now. Today I'm going to be doing coffin shape. Now that I'm done cutting these, I'm going to file them before I put on my acrylic. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my acrylic to the nail first that I will be doing the picture nail on. So I've cut out this picture of the Exorcist. With this, I'm going to be using the Mia's Secret clear acrylic powder. And we'll see how clear this is because I'm going to try to encapsulate a picture, and for that you need a really good clear acrylic. I'm going to also be using my Mia's Secret monomer and a number 8 acrylic brush. This is just a picture that I printed out, and it's not printed on any special paper, and I'm just gonna encapsulate it in clear powder and see what happens. So first I'm just gonna apply a thin layer of acrylic to help the picture stick to my nail. Now I'm just gonna take the picture and apply it right to the center, like so. I'm gonna try to make it stick down the edges, although everyone knows you're never supposed to touch acrylic, but I think that that looks good right there, and I think the picture has stuck well to my acrylic. Okay, I'm gonna make sure that my brush doesn't have any air bubbles and also that it is not too liquidy, and then I'm just gonna apply the clear cap on top of this. You wanna try not to soak your picture in monomer, and you also wanna try to make sure that the picture sticks on all the corners, otherwise that will cause it to lift up and off. And you want to try to make sure that you don't apply too much acrylic to where you'll be filing all night. Now for the rest of my nails, I'm going to be using this black acrylic. I got this from Amazon. I'm going to link it in the description down below, and I'm going to be using this different brush for this also. So I'm gonna wet my brush, make sure there's no air bubbles, and then we're gonna get started on the rest of our nails. I'm not going to be using any specific kind of one ball method or anything to do my nails. I'm just gonna go with whatever fits and how they look good. This is a really, really good acrylic. I really like it. It doesn't dry too quickly. It gives me lots of time to work with it, and it actually is really, really simple and easy. Now I'm going to put clear acrylic around nail with the picture on it, and I'm going to do this very carefully just so that I don't mess up the picture. Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna go off camera and file these using my nail drill, and then I'll be right back to design the rest of the nails. Okay, now that I'm done filing my nails, I'm going to do a reveal shot, and I'm gonna use the Vanalisa Tempered No Wipe Top Coat on all of my nails. Okay, now I'm going to cure my nails for 2 minutes, and then we'll come back and do a design. Okay, so to finish off this look, I'm gonna add a couple of scary symbols around the rest of my nails, and I'm gonna be using the Vanalisa 1530 white gel. This is what the gel looks like on the inside. We're just gonna be drawing a few freaky symbols. I'm gonna be using these brushes that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna leave them in the links down below. Okay, now once I'm satisfied with how that looks, I'm gonna cure this for another 2 minutes and then put on another layer of top coat. Okay, now I'm going to take this color. This is a deep red. This is from Vanalisa. Again, this is 1573. So I'm just going to make some red drops. Okay, now that my nails are cured, I'm just going to give them a final coat of no wipe tempered top coat, and then I'm going to cure these for a final time to see the final result. Okay, now that I'm done curing the nails for the last time, I'm just going to put some cuticle oil on these. And this is the final look. I think the upside down crosses and the devil sign and the picture of the Exorcist really make these nails perfect for Halloween. Let me know what you think of these nails down in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.